Good evening, folks. Eli at Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4. This stunning, beautiful Audi S3 is definitely the one to have. It's in the absolute best colour, my favourite colour for these cars, the Navarra Blue Metallic. It's absolutely stunning. It suits this car down to the ground. Daniel, our in-house detailer and valeter, has polished it up to an absolute gem. It has actually been ceramic coated by the previous owner. He had it ceramic coated at a cost of about £900 during his ownership. He bought it from Audi with only about 1,500 miles on the clock, so he's the first private owner, and it's in stunning condition. Fantastic set of factory options. Really is the S3 to have. I love this car. It's one of my favourite. They drive fantastic, they're quick, they handle well, and the beautiful compromise between the RS3 and say an A3 2-litre. So let me tell you a bit more about this one. It's about 18 months old, it's a 68 plate, like I say, one private owner plus Audi, full Audi service history, in Navarra Blue, obviously got the balance of Audi warranty. Let's talk about some of the options, because I'm sure that's what everyone wants to know all the time, is what does this car have over and above the standard specification, what makes it unique? Well, first of all, it's got the absolutely essential and very, very much sought after panoramic roof. Next, most important option, the Super Sport seats, which are a bit of a must-have with the quilted leather with the white stitching, the S embossing on the seats. Much better than the standard seats. It's got the power lumbar support as well. Got the Audi projection puddle light. It's got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. This is the black edition, so it gets a lot of this as standard over and above the normal S3 spec, with it being the black edition model. But certainly the Super Sport seats and the panoramic roof are options. You also get these fantastic, this is a lovely option. I love these wheels. Fantastic 5-spoke diamond polished faces with titanium painted insides or inners. This is a great option to have. I think that really suit the car, this wheel. It's got Pirelli P0 tyres all round. They've got a huge rim protector that you can see there, which really stops the rim from getting curbed. And then you've got the S3 red brake calipers on there as well, which just finish it off beautifully. With it being the black edition, you've got the gloss black mirror caps, black roof, the full gloss black grille, and obviously this being the latest version, it's got the updated front bumpers. It's got parking sensors all the way around, front and rear, full LED lights, privacy glass, LED rear lights as well, of course. The twin exit, twin chrome tailpipes, rear diffuser. This car's also got the mag ride, so it gives you the adjustable suspension, bit of an essential option, so you can put it in comfort mode and still drive it hard if you wish. It's also got the switchable exhaust, so you can adjust it from dynamic sound to normal. And in fact, let me talk you through the inside now. Let's move on to that. So, opening the tailgate, got your boot area, LED lights, of course, inside. Underneath here, you'll find you've got the Bang & Olufsen subwoofer in the spare wheel. The storage net and first aid kit are all present and correct, and obviously you'll have the tyre inflation kit as well. Moving round to the passenger side, so we've got the brushed aluminium trim, the B&O speakers, and of course the Audi mats. And of course, the Super Sport seats continues into the passenger area with the quilted leather. Moving on to the front passenger area, so again, Super Sport seats with the S embossing, lumbar, matching Audi mats. You've got this lovely knurled finish on the vents, the brushed stainless finish, the Quattro badge, because of course it's four-wheel drive, and then the backlit entry sills there. And then if we go around to the driver's side, so you've got power folding, heated wing mirrors, great option to have. Obviously all the electric windows and child-friendly lock buttons, backlit entry sill, and of course the puddle light, and again the S-line seats. Let's go inside. So you've got your automatic lights here, your aluminium pedals, the lovely small flat bottom steering wheel with the S embossing or S badge here, cruise control, indicators. You've got the flappy paddles here, and your controls for your screen. So you've got the technology pack, which gives you the digital dash, which is an absolute must-have rather than the dials. And of course you've got all the Bluetooth options and various media playing options here as well. Moving on to this side, obviously you've got your dual zone climate control and heated seats. Your drive select button, that obviously pops the screen down should you wish to hide it away. Parking sensors front and rear, and here you've got your wireless phone charger and USB sockets, auto hill hold and parking brake, and then obviously your controls here for your main screen, your start stop button as well, car keyless entry and keyless start. I believe it's keyless entry and keyless start. Check my spec for what exactly is added on this car, because I do sometimes make slight errors, but please check for yourself to make sure it's all correct. So scrolling through everything, let's say for example Audi smartphone, so you can of course use Apple CarPlay if you want. Obviously my phone's not connected to the car. You've got Audi Connect, obviously you've got map as per the main screen, but you probably wouldn't use that because you just use your main screen. And then media, of course, you can play various different sources for your media, whether that be external audio played by the auxiliary port. You've got things like CD player, you've got jukebox, you've got USB sockets, so you can connect in, of course, Bluetooth from your phone, Wi-Fi. You can collect, you can play things via, I think, possibly Spotify, if I'm not mistaken, or I could be getting mixed up with Tesla. But there you go. That's always when you deal with so many cars all the time. But yeah, everything's there. It's a great package. In here, we've obviously got the full book pack. We've obviously got 2 keys. Car's still got 18 months Audi's warranty left. So pretty much everything's exactly as it should be. Full Audi service history. It's a lovely car. You've got a frameless rear view mirror here, LED lights here. It really is one not to be missed. It's hard to find one of these with all the specification that this has. A lot of them just don't have it, or in the wrong colour combination, or the wrong wheels, or don't have the mag ride or the pan roof. So it really is stunning, and the sports seats obviously just make it. We do of course offer nationwide delivery on all our cars in an enclosed trailer if you wish. It's £2 a mile in enclosed trailer, or £1 50 mile in an open trailer, and of course all the finance packages are available as well. So if you want a finance quote, just give me a call. I'm more than happy to run through some options with you. If I can be of any further help, don't hesitate to give me a call, drop me a text or an email. Follow my YouTube channel, so hit the subscribe button below to keep up to date with all our prestige, performance and 4x4 stock. And I look forward to taking your inquiries on our Audi S3. See you on the next video. Good night.